Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to start a new topic, I can. Now students, open your book, I Can Achiever Level 5. Open page number 78. Here students, you can see a boy is sitting under the tree and reading a book. What the boy is doing? Boy is reading a book. In the next picture, what do you see? A girl is blowing bubbles. What the girl is doing? Girl is blowing bubbles. In the next picture, students, you can see a boy is planting a flower and the girl is giving water to them. What do you see, students? A boy is planting a flower and girl is giving a water to them. In the next picture, what do you see? A boy is sitting on the grass along with his crayon colors and sheets, and he is drawing. What he is doing? He is doing drawing. Now in the next picture, what do you see? A girl is making a painting of a tree. What the girl is doing? Girl is doing painting with watercolors. What do you see in the next picture? In the next picture, a girl is jumping. What the girl is doing? She is jumping. Now students, recite the rhyme. I am happy to be me. I am happy to be me. I am happy to be me. This is my hair. This is my hair. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. And just the right size. And just the right size. My name is Rohan. My name is Rohan. And as you can see, I am very happy to be me. I am very happy to be me. Now students, recite the rhyme. Good habits and manners. The clock says tick and tock. The clock says tick and tock. Wake up fast, it's 7 o'clock. Wake up fast, it's 7 o'clock. Brush your teeth to make them shine. Brush your teeth to make them shine. Have a bath, you will be just fine. Have a bath, you will be just fine. Say good morning to everyone. Say good morning to everyone. Leave for school. Leave for school once breakfast is done. Once breakfast is done. Change your clothes when you are back. Change your clothes when you are back. Put your shoes on the rack. Put Put your shoes on the rack. Hug your mother and give him a smile. Hug your mother and give a smile. Sit with her for a while. Sit with her for a while. Have your lunch and take some rest. Have your lunch and take some rest. Finish your work and do your best. Finish your work and do your best. In the evening, have some fun. In the evening, have some fun. Eat your meal with everyone. Eat your meal with everyone. Brush your teeth in the night. Brush your teeth in the night. Look at them, they shine so bright. Look at them, they shine so bright. Say good night to mom and dad. Say good night to mom and dad. That will make them very glad. That will make them very. Now students recite the rhyme. I am special. I am special. I am special. Look at me. Look at me. A very special person. A very special person. That is me. That is me. I am special. I am special. Look at me. A very special person. That is me. Now students, let's do an activity. For this activity, students have you old pictures of book, magazines, and you should also have a scissor. Now students, you will have to cut the pictures of your favorite colors and shapes from the old books and paste them on a paper. You can also cut the letters of your name and paste them. Now students, let's do one more activity. For this activity, students sit in a circle along with their family, and then you will give them your introduction like, my name is Anju. I read in UKG class. I am 5 years old. I read in Apple International School, Lambi. Now students, open page number 80 of your book. I can achieve a level 5. Here students, you will have to complete the words with the letters in the box. Read the letters in the box. Now students, in O, TH, the, E, R, R. Now students, in the first picture, what do you see? A girl is greeting her parents. She is saying good morning to her mother and father. We are also greeted parents in the morning. So complete here the word good morning. What you will write here? O, and complete the word good morning. Now students, in the second picture, what do you see? A mother is giving a gift to a lady, to her daughter. What do we say? When someone gives gift to you, we say thank you to them. So, what will you write here? Thank you. What is the spelling of thank you? THANKYOU. So complete the word. Thank you by writing. Now students, do you see in the next picture? In the next picture, two boys are sitting and the one boy is requesting to other to give him his notebook. What do we say when we are request to someone? We say please. So complete here the word please. What are the spellings of please? P-L-E-A-S-E, please. So write here E-A and complete the word please. What do you see in the next picture? In the next picture you can see a boy had pushed to a girl. If we push someone, what we do? We apologize to them. How we apologize to them? We say sorry. So complete here the word sorry. What are the spellings of sorry? S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. So write here R and complete the word sorry. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself.